Hey there, my name is Gilan Vinyas. I'm an interior designer. Welcome to Sky House. We designed this project about 13 years ago, and it's a super interesting combination of art and design and architecture all colliding in this fascinating space in this penthouse, including what I'm sitting in, but we're going to talk about that later. So for the living room, it's a very grand space and it is just mind-blowing because the views up here, the light that spills in is absolutely amazing. This is a very traditional building. It's 130 years old. So there's these super classic smoking chairs mixed with a highly tufted sofa that has a very modern shape. And then, of course, there's the elephant, or actually the horse in the room, which is a lamp. Just brings a little bit of fun. And then speaking of fun, this is actually a climbing column, and there's a swing there as well. Now follow me to the terrace, because you have to see the outside of this building. Here we are on the terrace on the 21st floor. One of my favorite things about this penthouse is that it looks like a chateau that was just sort of planted on top of one of the early skyscrapers. And this caryatid on the corner is just incredible. And the view doesn't suck either. I mean, take a look. What's really unique about the dining room is that it's sort of this really long, exaggerated space, and having bigger chairs at the head of the table is sort of exaggerated, whereas these are sort of more minimal. And this light fixture is intriguing that it is actually made from pack-in boxes. It sort of has Star Trek vibes. And just a reminder that on the menu tonight we have lobster. Seating will be at 6 o'clock sharp. Thank you. This is the catwalk on the mezzanine that leads to the office. It has incredible vistas looking down into the dining room, the living room, the entry. It's a super interactive spot and such a cool part of the architecture. I'm here in the nest. The space is really fun because it's sort of padded with this over-the-top floral fabric, which just makes me smile. And there's a glass floor here, and you can see all the way down to the living room, and there's a fireplace as well. So it's just the comfiest, coziest, fun space. Now we're on the 4th floor in the attic. If you go to the very end, you can look down 50 feet and see the living room. It's amazing. And then, oh yes, this is the entry to the slide that goes all the way down all 4 floors. Not only is this a really beautiful sculpture, it's a very quick way to get from the top to the bottom. So follow me. I designed this space 13 years ago. It is so incredibly fun coming back and being in the space and just showing you around. I hope you've had a fun tour. Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.